So how do you become the best salesperson? Well, what are the tips and advices that you need to improve your sales skills and become the best salesperson on earth? Well, if I look at from a distance, then I think there are two character traits that you need to have. One is consistency. You gotta find a way to do the work every single day. And you can see that from fitness, bodybuilding, all of these sports. They learn, even marathon running, they all learn that they need to do the work, they need to do the amount of reps to build the muscle to train, right? What is that in sales? I want you to send out your 10, 15 cold emails per day. I want you to do your 20 connections per day on LinkedIn. I want you to do some cold calls. I want you to keep doing the work and be consistent. Whatever goes wrong, just doing that, the sheer volume over time will make you win. And then you say, yeah, but Michael, volume is quantity, I want quality. Yes, you'll also improve your quality by doing the quantity. You need both of them. The second thing is be fearless. And be fearless, I mean, you gotta find a way to have no fear in contacting people. I know it's harder than it looks, but it is. Go to reception, just talk to anybody. It's really difficult. But you have to find a way. And my way was, if I can add some type of value to any business or to you as a person, I have no fear because I am helping you. And then the third one, which I always like, and this fits within the fearless, is if I phone up somebody or send somebody a message and I say, I have a crazy idea, they always open the door because everybody wants to listen to a crazy idea, right? So those 3 tips, they're gonna help your business grow and scale way better.